Okay, this is a tutorial for the replacement of the HP model 15D035DX. You can see here the screen is cracked. So what we're going to do, I've already removed it, but you want to take the battery out. Disconnect it from the wall plug. No connection whatsoever to any electricity, obviously. And step number one, you need a some kind of a fine utility knife or a blade. We're about these. Once we got that off, we want to remove these two screws right there. We want to separate the screen. So you can see all that adhesive. You can see that adhesive coming off. That's what we want. Do this very gently. You don't want to put too much pressure or too much pressure at an angle on this piece of plastic. You will break it. Once you have that off, we're going to have to take off 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, once those 6 screws, I said 4 before, there were 6 screws. Once those 6 screws are removed, we have our screen separated from the plastic molding. What we want to do now, as you can see, here is the new screen. And what we need to do is simply plug that into the new one. As you can see, it is attached to the side of the frame here. So our next requirement is going to be to remove 1, 2, 3, 4 on the side here screws. Alright, once you remove it from this part of the frame here, we're going to come over to this tape and ever gently separate it. If possible, we're going to use this tape again. Typically you can get another stick out of this tape. Once we get this out, we need to back out this plug, which you'll see is also, there's an adhesive on the bottom silver piece here as well, so you'll have to pull it on both ends and then just gently pull it out. That's it. We're going to reverse everything, put the screen back in. And now we're going to focus on putting the screen back together. So this is the screen that I got from Laptop Screens. Looks decently, it actually looks like it might even be better quality than the screen that originally came with the laptop. Laptop Screens, I'll put a link to the exactly where you can buy this screen. And we're just going to reverse the process of removing it. First we're going to plug in our little cord, our video cord here. Pull this plastic back, drop the plastic underneath there. There we go. Now I'm going to use this piece of plastic to just make sure I got a nice good seal on that. Pull it forward and then drop the tape right there. Lean it backward and there we go. Okay. Once we have that connected, I'm going to pull off. I want to keep some of the protective tape on here so that I have something to keep from grabbing the screen.